Living together after divorce. After divorce, most couples go their separate ways. One moves out, and decisions about children are made. Yet, some choose to live together, even though the marriage has ended. Why do they do this? And does it truly help? Kim Yun's story. Kim Yun and her husband divorced because of constant fights. She felt overwhelmed by his lack of help with household chores and their child. He believed she demanded too much. The frustration led to their separation. Even after the divorce, her husband stayed, claiming he needed time to find a place. To their child, they said he was away for work. Seeing him still at home gave Kim Yun mixed feelings. She wasn't ready to let go and hope for reconciliation. They lived in separate rooms, but Kim Yun still cooked and cleaned for him. Occasionally, he played with their child, prepared meals, or bought small gifts. These moments gave her hope. Yet, there were also times he stayed out late or avoided family meals, reminding her they were no longer a couple. This cycle of kindness and distance left Kim Yun feeling confused and hurt. The uncertainty weighed on her, making her question if living together was the right choice. Why some women agree to this? Some women, like Kim Yun, allow their ex-husbands to stay, hoping to rebuild the relationship. They think staying close might make the men realize their worth. For men, this setup is often convenient. Household comfort. They enjoy a home-cooked meal and a familiar environment. Freedom without obligation. They can act as a family when they choose and remain detached otherwise. Control over emotions. Their behavior keeps the woman holding on, even if they have no intention of fixing the marriage. For women, this can lead to emotional struggles, as hope often turns to disappointment. Key takeaways for women. If you divorce, establish clear boundaries. One person should leave the home. True reconciliation happens when both parties want to change, not when one clings to hope. Living together post-divorce often benefits one side while hurting the other. Final thoughts. Marriage is about shared effort, but not all succeed. Divorce can be a chance to start fresh. While it's natural to hope for reconciliation, staying in an unclear situation can cause more pain. Women deserve a future focused on their happiness and growth.